Hello interwebs, I'm Jeremy. Welcome to I'll Ask My Dad. If you've ever thought, I wish I could ask my dad, or I wish my dad could show me how to do this, you're in the right spot. These videos will help you learn new skills, take on life's challenges, and save a little money while you're at it. This channel is all about helping young adults, and quite frankly anyone, tackle DIY projects, home repairs, cook great meals, and navigate life's big questions, just like you'd ask your dad. I know how overwhelming it can be when you're faced with a repair or a project you're not sure you can do yourself. With my easy to follow video tutorials, you'll be able to take on challenges you didn't think you could handle and have confidence doing it. With years of life and work experience, I'll show you how to build skills, save money, and take control of tasks like changing a tire or fixing a leaky faucet, or even some big life decisions like buying a car or a house. Every Friday, I'll be here with a fresh video to help you learn something new and feel empowered to handle life's challenges. So if you're ready to start learning, saving some money, tackling projects with confidence, hit that subscribe button and comment below what you'd like to learn next. I'd love to answer the questions that you have.